for FPNTV official. You are live on Facebook, live on YouTube, live on TikTok, live on X. Mr. say, ope say, okay, Jumadi, our phone so, and I say, baby, I want Mr. Ocean, and I will subscribe it. Now, we'll share, now, audio comment, Bani can cancel at the amount. Mr. So, ope say, what to airtime, and I say, ope so, did Jumadi be our studio, Mr. And penny 4 numbers egu a screen no ase fe na wafa na wafrem penny 4 na ono mo atwetwe nkomo se airtime na pese woto anase odwumadie bi na pese bo ho dawuro mu ana wade tonde bi na pese bo ho dawuro edema wode a aha FPN live on Facebook, live on YouTube, live on TikTok. Yebebo sa adwumadie no ho dawuro ede ama fe na bibia so atimi akokama yabo eda form sa so na airtime so esan eda form fofofo na bibia so atimi akoso ama kama ene Adekye3musem dia me de mu ekopie mu Agradaa so ye mama part ne adwen se ne nsensem no atimi aba na wiye na emom enya emma na wiye ene court ehye se yemfa mami emra ne yemfa ne mepie mu ewo ye asendibia ewo amasaman ye court na yede Agradaa kokopie mu no ensem bebre ena atimi asi yemu bi de ne yadwene ene se mami de ntia aban ana court kese ehye se yemfa ne enkopie mu ewo ho no na yadwen se ne lawyers ebeka se omo ebe file for appeal na yetimi awilizi mami Agradaa na bibia so atimi aye kama na emom ene yede no kopie ho no na enye appeal no ho enkomo na aloya fo ne agagefo ekodi ho nkomo se mo beka ya mre bi atwam ye frɛ sofo bi sofo Appiah se wa wonte ne din da no sofo Appiah releka sa abranti ya woda screen so no oye sofo na mre bi atwam ye papa ye mama parts Agradaa ebe show abranti yi ne we beksie ne sex parts and ne private parts ne bema wo ne nkasafoni so ma ne kokoye nsem mebrebe enno na abranti ana sofo iti se yachi Agradaa ne 15 years so on konsa won ne koye adwumaden emfa emwa Ghana ban ana koye adwumaden ma Ghana ban ono so de ne nsem bi akoda court se mami one ne wo beef na beef no mu wie opese court esantena n'asem no so sofo Appiah biblical n'asem na meka in the case no obi wo ho a wonte da producer yankonko he ebra Agradaa shaase na one no wantwi wo social media na ho ntokwa atimi ekoso that time no ye bekwa akohwe na ye wi a ye betie lawyer ogina mu ma Agradaa asem na ene ekoso no ne nsem de ba betu dwade all can say court ahye say 30th of this month July yes am mama part emra court bio na emra no ene medi na utie ne nsem kan a lawyer for no anana lawyers eka se ensem a osofo Appiah biblical de ba ne kebe anka court mbongu na court se davida asem we ya abrante ne de aba court no eso te se chewing gum na te se concrete wom wo se apan ne timi so no mutim busa mama partners and semiti ensan fa ne nko na ada ye 30th of this month yen fa ne mra obi wo ha wonte biblical one mama partner tokwa ne bida producer yen ko ne nkoti abra na kofi adoma nwanwani interview software friend software Appiah biblical fa mama part and sensem no yen nkoti mra
ada so masona yene no eni enkomo software Appiah biblical ya ma akwaba mejo so pa bravo nempombo ko de Awurade ehunu mobo bravo yo eba ne say na si a wasan ne evangelist mama part ejina mu ewo Central Police Station ni me no case bibli okay me no case ba ko or ma obetreptive no ana me no case ya obeshow me nakedness ewo the TV show and Facebook and YouTube, Instagram, and other social network. In this case, it's not what
na me ncha de you were dampale and society a fellow Accra regional no na wo say you two na mo me brother so wa control na ba say many other social
we need yes on ti de ntia eye osofu Appiah biblical or de eye mama pata yaman 15 years in jail and answer imprisonment say onkononko ya dwumaden emfa ensom eye oman konkon Ghana no wasan ama yeden akopie mu e wo court no say unim de ntia mesrew eno ene yekokohweye no de biblical e chene say mama part issue ni private part and the bema all the social media handles na Agradaa NSEMON no before say ebekwa koti the lawyer no ebeka ye no say eba say obi ade ne kokota kamia metie so say kam de ne kokot obumi sumi kom me ne madam fupina yebeka ho asem akiri bele kan sam no de kokopie mu okot no ye maame mama part Agradaa na lawyers ekoko kache judge otena adwam say wosere won ana wo mosere no wo mosa case ntu na judge otena adwam nne na asem okakire a lawyer for ne say ensem a osofu Appiah biblical edibaye no emu edu evidence wom enye case jama ne kokeke enti yemfa mama part nko ne ensanfa ne mra mepie mu on the 30th of July 2025 producer yekotie lawyer bi asode tudwa ewo homra.
However, our pleasure was that the court, under the circumstance where she has been put under lawful custody, the court will adjourn so that the ruling will come on a later date or the adjourned date. However, my lady was of the view that adjournment was not, she needed not to be here for the adjournment to be done. However, she went on for the ruling. But an order has been made so that she'll be brought from NSEMON prison so that on the next adjourned date she'll be available. So that was what happened in court today. But it's a different case from what happened on Thursday. So definitely on the 30th, when the court has adjourned this case, Mama Pat will come to court.
For the sake of those watching us for the first time, for the sake of those watching us for the first time, can you brief us on the actual what's about the case?
Yes, it's a case between Mama Pat and the complainant is also for Appiah, Prophet Appiah. I'm sure the matter is already in the media, so there wouldn't be any need for me to elaborate on the facts. But that is the case that we came on today. So the court has ruled that on the 30th we should come for case management.
The lawyer now also ejina asem no mu bie ede betudwa efa de Agradaa anamama part na lawyer for ede tudwa senkebe anka court emmo ne nsensem a sofu Appiah biblical ede baye no engu na ensuo anase munyedu na emom court no so ka se asem a biblical ede beto court ano de bedan court no ade mu odu a awose court no esom no mutimidi adwuma na mame Agradaa na mama part etimba be yi ensensem bia no yeto so no de Agradaa efi court eko na chese won na bam emu ikura yentie ne nyoma na woto na ensentrefo bibiri so yetwa ne ho hia
wona we is right for efi mi kwasu wona we is right for
mama Pat Agradaa ebra na aposi for the no free court to them near the Kwakutu, not just say or Tony more free. Now, one thing about this woman, no, she has no regrets. Producer, I mean, can't be. Agradaa has no regrets. So be the FPNTV official. And yeah, one more call here, this is a command, no, no, say you much new. This woman has no regret because the laws of Ghana does not work. Ghana mranya juma. Nipa sabi what dupi nipa. The last time video any above video a workers and me ni kunansia ma ye criminal. Me meti metna FPNTV official video su kasa me criminal. Enche 2 minutes 30 minutes enche ya the police car eba be sia ba be fame. Just a producer and a prof staff ne papa mo ba ye police station near Tokokwa Brem. But Agradaa stood on her television, claimed say were a criminal, which at that moment there was no arrest. Aban Anto na posifo Anto on San Fan Friends, Sansem na wo canon, who influence other people to have the opportunity to come on air to say what the nation don't want them to say. This same person came out claiming say we will be a wotima sika gari in which we dupi amount for me a victim. So me kasa me a victim we dupi me me friend binti. I know what I'm talking about. I can give details on how Agradaa dupe me and my friend, and I can give my detail about the security that time so to you more. And Ghana buying a saa nipa way on social media. Didim panifo atem. E kaseti a aman panifo. So sika dodo sen na sebi empire diasa Ghana post for ma me we betimi dia tom a mo ahwe no from over years up to now. My name is friend, your call that was 2011-2012. We went and met people from Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Togo, and all countries. Let's imagine, said that 2012 was starting a Juma. We're to 2022-2023. One man is securities. I quote from Komfowe. Kwaku Bonsam eba on TV, on radio, ebe show videos about people Agradaa ama ni securities abuwon. Ame ebie free mu, ebie nya yare. And this case, most of the case were reported to Sotio police station, and na just say apostle ntu ho na mo ya ante se ya friend say ya question no anase obi an obetima ka se ne de hye na Agradaa nsa so di dem anase ne de hye na Agradaa nsa so hwe ne nkwa a so tuwa posifo e frɛ ye mame Agradaa e question say e ba ne se na mo securities etimi di sa wukese we. So Ghana posifo, if somebody or if someone is a criminal and has money, he can do whatever or she can do whatever he wants. My auntie so here nibi aya debi a criminal aspect, and I say criminal, and I say wafa kwan be a criminal. Now you hear how police will come with their siren, wow, they baba chino. But this same Madam Agradaa, who claimed being a traditional priest, Adekye Fusika, on our time 2012, I was very young. We reported this case and it went nowhere. We reported this case, and if the police they can just and also meet me a friend say, when did you reported this case? And I will come out with my friend to give an evidence when and where we reported this case. Police in Libya and 200 more. And this same woman, from the traditional priest side, NSEMON, which we really know say a yentron a wotra na even sentron na wotra and koba and ka onfa nada and tonchen. At the time of MPP, where Timi Ababa be chi anipa kukudam, edi asori sika. Ada dama for some mbra na mema mudwetri. Asaji wo mo de aka ho. With the video wa e call court. Na omu show chi Agradaa say and since somebody near me see what court no. Sorry, what's on them horn? There was a session via video, no, your lights were off and later came on, and she claimed and believed and or catch the court say yes, video na is true. And this country called Ghana has sat down for such a criminal woman to stay in the country to do people because he has money. Says if says sikabe to me actor emra, if says sikabe to me ama obi aji obi careful in some wa bra yenye here, then we all need to go and find money. This is not country we call Ghana. Ghana penny for I suggest said this woman they should know, and I said oh court empathy this woman. Yen some man 15 years addition to the one according to a year of Appiah biblical case, you know. na yɛmfa 15 years nka ne ho na yɛma wɔn na ɛwɔ wadupi wɔn wasama yɛabo wɔn with evidences and some form of cases emeka ho so that the next time when he dies and come back or the benya session Ghana mpanifo ni bi sebe mon fan cheme ebinom looking little damp me pamocho because wo wo sika enye obia no betimi de sika influence them. There are some big men she can never influence them with her money, but some policemen amount for reported cases upon cases to them or man taking action. I quote from Nana Kwaku Bonsam said there were several cases reported to a year so to police station. They took no action. What evidences are all her say opposing from Makwanya Obema on akọ then time commander or what so to na cases wo nyina no company for question almost say e ban say na man for report these cases man take any action. So sabre na posi for be na wo ho ana mami o musika obi akọ bre anya ne sika na mami age ukọ na usika gari na amba oba wasama security asample other producers be me chance remember the clear view of abosom dem be bia no se wo ye sa sika gari ni na eye fake. The moment I'll be wrong say fake, you can never return because there has been securities around that. Ura hono krano. What you say cells? Which are sa of mami ababe dupi nipa ababe di yesika ye mami no mu bia me kai omo mo kwa son dem on obi se ne ba school fees or the kwa kotua ne fees amano or the sika ne ba na be double say be obenya bidi akwa akoye business obaya wasanji. Utie the life story of Asondem Sikana. Omomo form group na group ni sika ojiji free obia hono. Each group bia no is even almost 30,000 per group. So that time onya 10 group or 15,000 groups. Imagine how much our journey at time. Such a criminal. Yet in Yakopon diaton so such a criminal. Yet the Asondem man na Ghana so for one phobia sabi almost nyame soma se de mo fanchami. I don't know the minds of some of you which are ya pointed some phobia or Christianity mu a omo ka bi wom na mo hwe such a woman na wo gu Christosoma ni ase ogu Yakopon ni ase den na mo hwe no ya waso for tese be ha omo musika wo Ghana so many pastors and prophets ente ye dene se be kan Agradaa ase Oba said go TV so ekache ni kunu say on fa me turu mu. Just imagine. Na Ghana so from penny 40 watching such a woman on social media, watching her from television and all over the social media platforms. Mempaya me bone say court on the 30th. Yo the young money 15 cry, young money 10 years in Fanka, no near 25 years. I know that there are so many people or what cases a more value, a more do a change the Bible card coin. Your bomb pie say Ghana post for me gate no me point to us obi biara Agradaa do piano. You have the chance to go and report the case and bring it to court. I suspect or suggest says a woman we yema ode ni age ni ate so cry dey man 40 years obeba na siema so de ni sika o pay ni na so ono so de agoro atobra or their body show then you know say niema bi wo na say wo year whatever goes wrong comes wrong wo jeje amanfo sika me binum ku omo ho ebinum sika won kunu de amam so mfa nkodwa wa gene nyina me binum aku omo ho this also sika wa pay nyina no say mo 15 years we kura na say asiama betena ho na so be ka 7 ne be ma ahye na ham na so onko pe bindi na obetena wa twen obeba na okeka ko 60 years o mere wa boma na wo na asiama ye young man. I'm hoping say for 10-20 years in count then obo say sika obe bre pay ye nyina no aye waste ho na beto samia Ghana police for ye pamocho some sa so ni mu na mesrem obi ade ne case ba yesrem mon reverse case no mon makwan na ye na ye so ogi ye sika di ye ne mu bi ye fa ye case ko police station because sa woman we dini pedim bi mu dem e wo mo akomo It's very, very bitter. Hey, yeah. Hi, FPNTV official. Live on Facebook, live on YouTube, live on Instagram, live on TikTok and X. Enche, me di jumadi no, ebeba na wie. Agradaa ho nsensem na me gusu a me kan. Ya de no call 15 years no. Obi a renew case no. Ah, one and san what the same similar case. What in the payment back to the social media handles, the TV station. Now just let's imagine. Say can your country be a sabi any dim sabi ya adwini nya adwuma ya disika toni pa. Sa those kind of a near man obi bema sa nyama ye show no TV so but Agradaa nya opportunity onya chance no because o sika. Producer Mekasa aha adebeche. I FPNTV official. Me di juma de ni besia. Ochena ye wo ha kosi 30th. Agradaa ho nsem bebre. Ene ne nsem ebebe bia de ba besom. Ye be koso aka se be ya aposifo de court. Ebe san de age ni bia kan mfie ho. Omo mo plead say ye pade chew o aban fa nche no. Ye mu bi maame papa no odidi won atem onfa. Se nipa na nyini chen no se wo ye den because of sika. But there was a Ghana mramani who say sika ntimi ntom mra no. Wo de biblical case no kura no on your mama 10 years. Mesra mo a Agradaa dupi mo wa ma ya bom ma yesra mo mo nyina mo ko report ma mo fa nko so tum bio mo mpe other police station na mo fa nko definitely be do soro na so chine bo firi mu fia. I FPNTV official live on Facebook. Obetima share with my comment na do adwen chiraba me sorry juma de no so o chine be sa betena se till 30th ye be us Agradaa asan mani eye another year said ya kan ho ye nya Agradaa asem kanda so obi e mambofo a o sie uniform man mu makram median de Emmanuel FPNTV live Facebook live on YouTube live on X Adekye3musem makram.
Hey, I wanna we eat right for FPNTV.